Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today guys, this is a highly requested video. If you guys don't know, this is my 2013 Audi S4. It's a DSG, but yeah, right now it is 034 Motorsports Stage 2 Plus, ECU and TCU with RedStart Testpipes, JHM Baffled downpipes into their high flow cat X pipe with an AWE exhaust, AWE touring exhaust I should say. But this video has been requested either through personal messages through the Facebook forum or the Facebook group, or comment. There's one comment on a YouTube video requesting this, so I might as well set this up and get this going for you guys. The car is not warmed up yet, but it's been idling for about 10 minutes. It is like 30 something degrees outside, so I'll take her easy once we pull out of the neighborhood, but for now I'll just shut up and drive and do some pulls when it gets nice and warm. But yeah. Car's finally warmed up, so I can drop her down in the sport, and as long as the coast is clear, I can pass this car. So here's a little pull. As you can see, I'm in dynamic. This is sport. I'm not on a highway, but this is pretty much highway speeds at like 70, 75. Yeah, you can hear it. It's really not too loud. It sounds pretty aggressive, but it's not much louder than I would say a stock exhaust, unless you're getting on it. If you get on it, then it kind of opens up a little bit. Like, it gets quite a bit louder when you get on it a little bit, but other than that, it is very tolerable at highway speeds. There's no drone, there's no annoying frequency coming from it or rasp that will annoy you on long drives. I drive this often, far distances, an hour plus, 2 hours, and I have no issues whatsoever. I'll roll down the windows so you can hear the exhaust a little bit, and let her rip. Yeah. There she blows. Alright, I should be arriving to the gym soon. I'm here at this light, but I'll give you the sound of it on the decel as I pull in. And yeah, after that, thank you guys for watching. I think that will be the end of the video. Subscribe for more. If you guys have any more suggestions that you guys want to see, I'm more than happy to make that happen. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments below.